Welcome to PC Mac. Today we are going to install transmission on our OpenMediaVault 5 and we are using Docker with Portainer. So let's do it. First of all, let me just go ahead and open my OpenMediaVault, that is right here, and navigate to OMV Extras and Docker and open our Portainer. So the Portainer is right here. Let's go ahead and log in, and we are going to use this image from Linux server transmission, as you can see, and we can check it from here that it's available for ARM64. That's our Raspberry Pi 4. So let's go ahead and check in Docker create that what thing we need and require to run this transmission image. So we'll start from here. Let's just copy the name and move to Portainer, then go to containers and add container. Let's paste the name here and copy our image name from here, Linux server transmission. You can also copy it from here, no problem in that. Let's just go back, paste it here. Now move down to volumes, and here we require 3 volumes. First is config, then download, and third one is watch, and the restart policies unless stopped. Let's just go back here and create some folders. Let's open the files, the location, and Raspberry Pi containers. Under containers we are going ahead and create a new folder with the name transmission. So the folder is here. Let's just create other folders. New folder. The first one will be config. So we have these 3 folders available with us, and before doing anything with the path we need to set the ports. So let's just go back here and start setting the ports. Publish new ports. So we require 3 ports. Let's just go ahead and start copying these folders here. Copying these port numbers, sorry. And one is for UDP. Select UDP from here. So the ports are done, and let's create the volumes now. 3 volumes that we need, and go back here. So the path are config, downloads, and watch. So let's just go ahead and do that. After that, let's just go back here to OpenMediaVault and copy this location as we did in our early practicals, and click on bind, and so this one is done. Then the restart policy is unless stopped. Let's go back here. Now we need to create the environment variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to create 6 environmental variables. You can leave this username and password if you want, that is optional, and the transmission webhome is also optional. Or we just need to create 3 variables if we leave these as it is. So let's just go ahead and create at least 5. So we will create our username and password. Let's go to environment now. Kolkata. If you are the first time user of my channel, you can check out the time zone by going here and then go to date and time, and you can see your time zone from here. Let's just go back to Portainer again, and then PUID and PGID. In my case it's 100 and 1001 for my user PC Mac. Let's just show you. SSH root at 192.168.1.26, enter the password and the command to find out the PUID and PGID's ID and then the username. So you need to type it as case sensitive. So my P and M is in capital letters, so it's 101 and 100. So you can do it like this. Let's just go ahead and minimize it, and it's correct. As you can see, 100 from here, 100 and 1001. Let's minimize this, and the username and password is also correct. Let's check one more thing, that anything left or not. So everything is done. Now what we need to do is just click on deploy the container, and it will start deploying. After that, we can access our transmission on 9091 port. That is right here. So let's check whether it's done or not. It's downloading the image as well, because we have not downloaded the image. So transmission is running now. Let's go ahead and check. Type OpenMediaVault address and then 9091. Now it asks for the username and password, and we have already created a username at PC Mac and password as password. Let's try to sign in, and as you can see, it's working. Let's just save, and to show you the download, let's just go ahead and open Raspberry Pi website and try to download the Raspbian image from its torrent link. So the image is right here, 2020 is today's date. Let's just click on open and upload, and let's check whether it start downloading the image or not. So you can see the image size is 2.65 GB and it's getting the PS. Start downloading, and as you can see, it's getting really good speed. So I don't want this image. I just want to show you that it's working or not. So let's just click on pause and remove it from here. So this is working absolutely fine. Let's just close these options, and it's working right here. Now this is the way you can download and install transmission on your Docker with the help of Portainer. So start using it and let me know if you're facing any problem regarding this image, and share your thoughts in the comment section. If you like my work, please go and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.